Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Why do I laugh like this? Because you know what? I have all of your faces in my mind. For those of you that I have met so many times, and anytime we see each other, we just kick it and we just laugh. I think it's like an opening to any conversation, just to say, I got you, girl. I got you, sis. I got you, bro. I live for it. Anyway, if you're stopping here for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. You guys give me so much love on my hair. When I tell you I am living and loving it, I have not had my hair natural. I have not had my hair this short in over 20-30 years. I am absolutely certain, and I have to give all of my love to ENITAN Hair Studio, Healthy Hair Studio. Guys, if you want to have healthy hair and be rocking and be out there doing your thing, living your life, really an authentic space for me for quite a while. Healthy Hair Studio. Healthy Hair Studio, when I tell you, especially during this winter, there is nothing like this mighty moisture, because it really keeps my hair moist. You know, when your hair is natural, it can be dry, it can be brittle. Oh my God. And then moisture hold, I don't even have to look at it. And then when I tell you, all of my edges are coming through with the introduction, deep follicle treatment, and then you have inches conditioned. I have it here because there were so many comments, so many compliments, that I said, you know what, these are new Fumi Nation members. Let me let them know what we're working with. Healthy Hair Studio by ENITAN is the OG. She's a trichologist, as a matter of fact, and she's brought me all the way back to my fabulosity, and this is where I'm at. Do not forget to use my discount code to save your coin on shipping and whatnot. She ships internationally. I also see that in the comments. All around the world, sis. All around the world. Let's get right into it. Like I said, I read a lot of your comments. I'm not able to respond, and I think that is a gift, and I'm so honored because it shows that we are growing as a Fumi Nation. And I have been covering the Katt Williams interview that he had on Club Sheshe with Shannon Sharp. And one of you in the comments said, Fumi, what is the big deal? It's just a joke. People can take people's jokes. And I just stomped. And I completely understood where she was coming from, because most probably she doesn't understand that this entertainment called show business might be show, but it's business. Do I come up here and get my makeup done, hair done, wardrobe, the fabulosity? Yes, I do. That's the show. But this is my job. I'm up here uploading every single day, presenting myself out there for opportunities, blessings of all the things that I want to do, aka also having my own show. You all know Christina. I live and love Christina. She's my bestie. She has her own YouTube channel. Girlfriend is doing her thing. She's over 1,000 followers. I'm so happy for her. I know how I would feel, because you guys know, what am I known for? My bra hacks. Especially my backless bra hack that I wore to my own wedding in 2009. How would I feel if my good friend Christina stole that bra hack and went on to collaborate with Victoria's Secret, saying that it was hers without giving me any credit? How would I feel? I would feel betrayed. I would feel betrayed. You think it's just a joke? It's a joke that opens doors. You go on tour with this joke. You have producers, directors, people that are doing films, commercials that say, you know what? She's funny. She's fabulous. You know what? Let's go ahead and put her in this film, put her in this movie. When you take something that's not yours, when you take a joke from a comedian and make it yours, pretend that it's yours, you don't steal the joke only. You steal all of the windows, all of the doors, all of the opportunities that came with that joke. Do you know the irony of it all? You can never really tell that joke as funny as the person that created it. Why is it a big deal? Because we are not doctors, lawyers, engineers, architects, where you get a certificate to tell you you're qualified for this job. All we have is our reputation, our skill, our talent, and little footprints that we leave along the way. That is a true blueprint to say, that backless bra hack, they all know it came from Fumidesaluvold. Do you understand? So it's not just a joke. It is a livelihood. It's an opportunity. Some things relate, some things don't. And when you've got a fabulous opening or closing joke for an audience, oh my God, it is everything. And so I have to give full credit to yet another YouTube channel. They are called Abba and Peach. Yeah, Abba and Peach was where I saw this, and I'm playing for you here. It's a side-by-side. It's a side-by-side copy and paste.
Did you still add that they're not?
My darlings, sit back and be gum-smacked and be speechless to watch this side-by-side.
Halloween was a trip. Halloween, we couldn't afford no Halloween costumes. Hey, kids, please. Mama sent us down to the liquor store, put boxes on us. We didn't know what we were. I don't know what we are. I don't know. She didn't tell us. I think we UPS, I guess. I don't know.
You've heard me say that every Halloween I had the same outfit on. Every year. I just had a brown box. No, it wasn't nothing sad. I asked my father, could I have a new outfit? And he said, no, just wear the same one. It was just a brown box. And he just told me to tell everybody I was a UPS man.
Cedric doesn't write. I'm sorry, he doesn't write.
Gas is entirely too high. That's all I'm saying. You are not supposed to be at the gas station making life decisions. You just at the pump. Just, Negro, did I eat today? I can't get no half a tank. I got 6 cigarettes. I can't even do it. That used to be, if you had $10, $15, you could go to the gas station with confidence because you knew you was either going to be full or damn near full. If you had a 20, you ain't even talk to the person at the counter. You just 20 on 11, bitch. Used to be, if you put $15 in your tank, you had time to bond with your vehicle. You had time to put the nozzle in and set the clicker and look through your car and clean off the dashboard and look through your CDs and run in the store and get some Pringles and a Snapper, and it'll still be pumping. Now if you put $15 in, you can't even turn around good for that son of a bitch click.
You ever had your car radio up so loud that you couldn't hear the damn thing when it cut off? It looked like this. You flossing in a 6-shift convertible.
They gonna move to the moon. Ain't gonna happen. Y'all move to the moon, damn it, we coming to the moon. Oh, we'll be right behind y'all in space shuttles with Cadillac grills. Nigga just rolling, one headlight out. Tags be all wrong. All bass. Y'all know we'll drive a space shuttle too. That's right up our damn alley. A space shuttle is long. They ain't scared no black folk. We'll drive a space shuttle. We grew up driving long cars. We'll drive a space shuttle like it's a 72 deuce and a quarter. We get us a cigarette. We be in a space shuttle like it's a 72 deuce. We get.
This white family lived in Mississippi, and they had this man who worked for them occasionally named Bobanicious. Now, he did various small jobs for them on and off for about a week. One night, he had just finished bartending a party, and the lady of the house realized that she didn't have any money. So she said to him, Bominicious, I want to write you a check, but I don't know how to spell Bominicious. And he said, well, I've been meaning to talk to you about that. See, when I came to work for you, I told you my name, and then I said, but you can call me by my initials.
Everybody around here call me Bominicious, fine, you call me that. Don't even worry about it. Everybody call me Bominicious. I'm like, all right, so all week long, my ass talking about, Bominicious, what up, boy? Hey, Bominicious, run to the store, grab some beer, come on back. My cousin said, what you calling him? Bominicious. He said, everybody call him Bominicious. It's all right for me to call him that. Like, nah, man, his name's CJ. He's saying you could call me by my initials. That's what he's saying.
You know, the funny thing is, I was sitting here saying to myself, Fumi, I don't know how some people think, but just the way I see something on the internet, why would you think somebody else didn't see the same thing on the internet that has the ability to sit right here and call you out? That's what's so ironic, and that was what Katt was trying to say. Cedric took a joke from me that had already been played 2 years earlier. You just thought, you know what, he's a no-name comedian. I can go ahead because I'm bigger than you. So I can go ahead and steal your stuff. You see, that again, that's just crazy to me. Because for 8 years on YouTube, I was a small channel. I was a small channel of 30, 40,000. That was all I was for 8 years. I did my bra hack series for my limousine girls like me. I did the backless bag series. I did all kinds. I think I've got like 12, 13, 14. And all of a sudden, Fumi Nation began to grow. So that small YouTuber, that small comedian, that small chef, never forget two things. People grow. People evolve. Small companies, small brands, small businesses, small YouTubers, small comedians, they grow. And sometimes they can be overnight successes. So you got to be careful. Also, in this day and age of social media, everybody got receipts. And everybody will come out with receipts. And then you go ahead and let me know in the comments if in actual fact Katt Williams was telling lies. That's all I gotta say. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, my darlings, and I will see you on the next one. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. It's hurtful because these brothers were at Bernie Mac's funeral.
I didn't really want to do this. I talked to Rhonda this week, and I was trying to be upbeat about it. I was talking to Rhonda, and she asked us all to do it, you know. It's tough, you know. You tell jokes for a living, you dig, and then sometimes it just ain't funny. There's a lot I got to say. I've never been to a funeral with an MC. I was struggling in my closet trying to wear something to downplay and get black and all this here, and then you come out here in all white with a hat on and some stripes. And I'm gonna get that suit made. I just want y'all to know that right now. My next special, I will be wearing that, partner. Every night before we went out on stage on the King tour, Bernie used to pat us all. Bernie was an athletic dude, so he used to pat us on the rear end like basketball players, but Bernie was heavy-handed. And he had real strong hands, and they was cupped all the time, and I just always wanted to tell Bernie I was very uncomfortable with that. Wished he wouldn't do that every night. Bernie was the one that started us praying before we went out on stage. We'd always say prayer. I know after we got out there, didn't seem like we knew God at all, but it was such a big thing for all of us, the kings of comedy. Bernie ran what we call the anchor leg. He was our closer. You know, in a relay, you give it stick to the next dude, and you get a baton to the next dude, and you say the fastest cat for last, just in case you get behind. Every night, we handed that mic to B-Man, because no matter how funny the three of us was, Bernie had something else for him. Man, nobody wanted to follow Bernie Mac because he was just too much. He was like a train wreck. We would all watch him every night and sit out there and let's go see this train wreck. Because Bernie would take his jokes and just run them into the side of you. He didn't care how you felt about it. But Bernie used to say something, and DL said it. Bernie said, "I walk alone." He said that all the time. We've heard it 1,000 times in interviews and everything. But if I stand here, I look back on B-Mac's life, I think about how he was a family man, how he loved Rhonda and his baby, how he talked about him all the time. I look at his career and all he did. I was sitting there watching the tribute myself going, man, I forgot all the movies. I forgot all them things he done. What an amazing career. It made me think about something. Bernie Mac always said he walked alone. I don't think he was walking alone at all. I think Bernie was walking with Jesus the whole time. I just hope Jesus now he walking with Jesus. I want to tell Mac I'll see you soon, man. Well, no, I don't mean soon. I'll just see you. Thank Bernie Mac for the kings of comedy. We love y'all so much.
Come on, let's hear it for the kings. King Steve, King DL, King Cedric, the kings of comedy.